Gold prices started the week off heading lower, settling today at $17.31, down about $10 from Friday's settle. We did get as low as $17.29 today in gold prices. That wasn't as low as Friday's low, but today's settlement marks the lowest since going all the way back to June of 2019. So obviously gold has made some big strides up and down during 2022, but right now on those lows, continuing to push lower. The dollar right now, really the main advocate here as it continues to push higher. It's as high as it's been since 2002. Likewise with the Fed now gearing up to raise rates, as we heard last week in the minutes. The Fed is more concerned with inflation than growth, so clearly the Fed is now going to continue to raise rates. That would obviously adversely affect gold prices. Treasury yields were lower today. Didn't really see that as a problem, although if in a flight to quality type of environment that we saw today, typically gold benefits from that. Obviously that didn't happen. Again, gold prices down about $10, ending the day at $17.31. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, if you check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, you'll notice that volatility had been in a downturn over the last several sessions. We did not see that. We saw it actually turn higher today as we neared those new lows, as we made those new lows and got that lowest settlement since going back to June of 19. Likewise, we have some pretty big events and news coming up this week. We will get CPI, we will get PPI, we will get retail sales, we will get bank earnings. So right now, gold prices are going to be looking at some of that. So volatility is starting to see a little bit of an uptick ahead of those major events. Lastly, let's look at the positioning. What are those speculators doing? Well, they've been doing what they've been doing pretty much for the majority of 2022, and that is exiting their longs. They're at the least long in over a year. At this point, we've continued to see them exit those longs, and gold prices over the last several weeks have reflected that as gold prices have gone lower as speculators continue to sell their longs. So gold prices open the week lower ahead of CPI, PPI, and retail sales. And don't forget, we have that Fed meeting in 2.5 weeks in July, where the Fed is still expected to raise 75 basis points.